Build a website, social media, YouTube channel centered around your niche. Release high-quality content that builds trust and organically incorporates affiliate links. Track your links. Use affiliate management plugins like Post Affiliate Pro to properly track sales and optimize your promotions. Continuously analyze your traffic sources, conversions, commissions to refine your strategy. Collect emails and build an audience that you can market to directly via emails, push notifications, etc. Staying consistent with high-value content and strategic promotions will steadily grow your affiliate earnings. Partner with reputable brands that offer great commission structures to motivated affiliates. Top affiliate programs for beginners. Amazon Associates, one of the largest affiliate programs, offers up to 10% commission on Amazon products. Massive product selection and trusted brand. Provides marketing materials and reporting tools. Clickbank, digital information products like ebooks. Average commissions are 50 to 70% per sale. Easy to search and promote offers. Lots of options for the make money online niche. Etsy, handmade and vintage products. Commissions vary but around 5%. Can promote specific shops or products. Great for crafty/arts niches. Rakuten, huge variety of 4,000 plus brands. Commissions 1 to 40% based on product. Strong reporting dashboard. ShareASale, over 3,900 merchant programs. Offers average 8% commissions across many product types. User-friendly platform. These networks cater well to beginners because they make it easy to get approved.